Alam mo, Martin, that is the third game. Hindi ba tayo nagkakaroon ng hindi magandang game?
Oo. Just a full game, a full day of intense hoops being played here in Brenzy-Giao.
Grabe ang games today. Now, let it turn over to Kim for the best player of the game.
I am now with the CNAG Best Player of the Game, Jose Espinosa of AC Canada West with 31 points, 1 rebound, 1 assist, and 2 steals. Now, first of all, congratulations on winning your game. Now, my question is, nakita namin on the first half, lamang yung kalaban, but not until the fourth quarter comes, napanalo nyo na to. So, ano yung nag-motivate sa'yo para mapanalo at anong sinabi sa inyo ni Coach?
Yung bago po mag-start yung laro, may tinuro po sa amin si Coach para mag-push palalo sa game at yun lang, magtiwala lang kay Lord.
Now, may gusto ka bang batiin o sasalamatan sa lahat?
Yung nanay, tatay ko po, yung family ko po, yun lang. Salamat po sa suporta.
Once again, our CNAG Best Player of the Game. Now, back to the panel.
Yun, thank you very much. And again, this is Nico Arshaga. I would like to thank Martin Daes and Miss Kim. Meron pa tayong games. We still have more games to play. At magbabalik po ang CNAG Liga Asia Junior World Showcase.